Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about coronavirus. The situation is getting worse day by day, increasing cases like 2.5 lakh cases are coming per day, and we are losing uh, many of our loved ones, even the relatives. Few people are losing. So I'm gonna talk about what we can do apart from following the norms like wearing mask, hand sanitizing the hands, or following a proper distance, not going outside. What else we can do by staying at home so that our immunity gets improved, or at least if we get corona also we would be out of the danger zone. Okay. I have mentioned few very important points that I would like to talk about in detail today. This is not going to be a very short video. This video is like 7-8 minutes might take, I believe, but very informative. If this goes well, then I will come with the second video, the series 2. This is the series 1 and second is the series 2 video. That will help you guys for sure. Okay. So let me get started. I have written down the few points in my system. The first is no sugar, or you limit the intake of sugar if you can't resist uh, to leave the whole sugar from your food. Why this is very important, I would like to tell you, because have you seen people, I believe you have heard in the newspaper, read in the newspaper, or heard in the television that people who are having diabetes, blood pressures are more in danger. The mortality rate is there more than the 90%. Why? So main reason is insulin resistance. And how insulin resistance happens? Because we take lot of glucose or sugar in the body. The sugar is not just about eating a raw white sugar, it's about how much carbohydrate also we take a lot. More than veggies, we eat chapati and rice. So this is the main reason behind obesity. And whenever we are obese, we get the problems like diabetes, problems like blood pressure, and other main chronic things that goes for a long time. And those people are in more danger now during corona time. So that's why it's very important we limit our sugar intake. Even we leave completely, that is too good, that white sugar that we eat. Also, whenever our blood has high concentration of sugar, means sugar is more in the blood, the transportation of white blood cells in body gets inhibited. What it means is, whenever virus comes, any virus comes to our body, then body tells white blood cell that go and fight against those virus so that body can be protected. So white blood cells are the warriors who will win the war against corona, right? But problem is here, when you take a lot of intake, your sugar intake is more, or your glucose is more in your blood, then this white blood cells, who are the warriors, won't be able to move to fight against the corona or any virus. So that's why extremely important to limit the intake of sugar, or either leave the sugar from your diet. Okay, I think you have understood this point, very important. The second one I would like to talk about is water. So drinking lukewarm water. I am not talking about drinking like 100 degrees Celsius boiling water, just lukewarm water that you can drink, especially when you wake up in the morning. Why this is important, I'm going to explain you now. See, when we wake up in the morning, the whole night saliva formation happens in our mouth, and that saliva is extremely good, very beneficial for our digestive system. Okay, and if digestive system is good, then our immunity will be high. Okay, that is very proportional. If digestive system is low, then immunity will go low. So that's why keeping the digestive tract or digestive system is very important, so that our immune system will be high. Okay, so when you take lukewarm water, so it matches with the body temperature, because temperature inside the body is more. So if you drink cold water from the fridge, that is like cold water, like 5 degree, 8 degree, or 10 degrees Celsius for temperature, and it goes into body, and it will play with your immune system by playing with the digestive system. Okay, so that's why very important we take the lukewarm water, so that our digestive system works well, and hence immunity goes up. Okay, point number 3 that I have noted here is keep body moving. Since lockdown is there, or we are not going outside, so we are sitting at home, staying at home. So few people are sitting whole day on chair, lying on bed, not moving at all, and that is a big problem. What happens, when we don't move our body, the blood circulation doesn't happen in a proper way, and when blood circulation doesn't happen in a proper way, then what will happen? Any functioning of body, maybe strengthening the immune system, strengthening the digestive system, nothing is gonna happen. So moving at least 10 minutes a day, very easy. At least you walk in a room only. If you can't go outside, or do some basic workout, that will help you to improve your immune system for sure. Okay. Point number 4 is food. Okay, so one thing, if you do, or you might have already done, you have got your basic blood report, where you get it checked blood sugar, vitamin D level, B12 level. So what has come in the studies in last few years in India, I think more than 80% people have low vitamin D3 level, vitamin D level. And what is the best vitamin to fight against coronavirus is vitamin C and vitamin D3. And suppose most of the people are low in vitamin D, what is going to happen? The immunity is already low, and what people do? Nothing about that. Now we cannot go outside in sun also. If you stay in sun for a longer time, that is also not good. So bring the food in your diet that are rich in vitamin D3, like mushroom. Also, I will tell you to take few vitamin D supplements. I am not talking about medicines. I am talking about good organic vitamin D supplement that is going to help you big time. Okay, next is in a similar way we have to take vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C is very important. Everybody knows about that. And whatever is the daily recommendation of RDA, we should take more than that now, because we need a very strong immune system, and vitamin C is one of them. Include citrus foods, that is gonna help you for sure. Also, since the quality of food is not so good, if you can opt for the good supplement, organic supplementation, as I talked about for the vitamin D, that would be very good, instead of going for any medicine, the chemical things in the market. Okay. Okay, the last point is very important. Since we see newspaper, we read, we see people talking about people are dying, and this many cases are coming, and that's how our brain gets negative impact every day, every time if we go in front of the television, especially. Instead of watching television all over the day, definitely we can watch for some time. That is good to keep the know the news and what is going everywhere. Everything is good, but instead of watching television whole day or like 2-3 hours, we can spend time in reading, doing some physical activity, talking to our loved ones. Since we can't go and meet them now, so we can talk over phone, we can meditate, we can cook healthy food. So there are a lot of options rather than getting distracted from the news that is coming, and that is gonna put only negativity in our mind. And what happens because of that, I will tell you, very important. This is not about only negativity. When we see the news of those type, stress gets built in our body. And suppose you have good amount of vitamin D, C and everything you are following, but you are taking a lot of stress is coming to your mind, nothing is gonna work. Your immune system will go down. For sure. So that's why very important is to stay positive, stay out of stress. At least we can try for this. And why don't we make it a productive lockdown, staying at home, increasing our productivity 2, 3, 4 times up, and we can work on our relationship, we can improve relationship also. So follow this 6 points, and if you do it for some day regularly, believe me, you are gonna see a tremendous improvement in your immunity. And I say God, not corona should come to any of us, but if it comes also, you would be able to fight against that. You will have energy, you will have the things to fight. Okay, so that's why it's very important to keep in mind these points. I do the same. I do it for my family. That's how I'm speaking. I hope this video will help a lot of people. You please share this video with your loved ones, to whom you know, and we can get benefited from it. I would definitely come with the second version of this video, where I will talk about few more practices, the easy ones that we can implement at our home. Okay, thank you guys. Stay safe and build a strong immunity. We'll fight against corona. We are gonna win this battle again. Nobody is gonna stop us. Thank you guys. Bye.